Hey guys, it's Ramonica Caldwell, Houston real estate broker here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to calculate your monthly mortgage payment. I'm going to let you know what you can do to calculate your payment in less than 1 minute. Before we get started, I want to share a few disclaimers with you. Number one, just want to let you know that your mortgage payment is made up of 4 parts: principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Today, when we do the payment, we're only going to be looking at your principal and insurance. Something else to keep in mind is that the interest rate that we're going to be looking at is going to be the daily interest rate that is on the market. You will need to speak with your individual loan officer or bank, financial institution to find out what your interest rate will be based off of your credit. You also want to make sure that you talk to your mortgage provider about how much you're putting down, the different factors that go into making up your monthly payment. So this is just to give you a rough idea of how much your monthly mortgage will be, but for specifics, you need to talk to a mortgage professional. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, believe it or not, is you can simply Google it. So I just Google simple mortgage calculator, hit enter on Google. Think about what price point you want to buy. In Houston right now, the average home for most first-time home buyers is around $250. And the daily rate, you can also Google that as well. So I just pick a reputable website when I go to Google. I looked at I think Wells Fargo earlier, so we'll just go with that one. Just pick from a reputable lender. Okay, so they're 30-year fixed rate. And remember, you have different types of loan products. So we're just looking at the 30-year fixed rate. If you plan to use a different loan, feel free to do so. But I'm only doing something very simple that anybody can calculate. So let's just say the rate is 3.125. So we'll just use that one. Most mortgages are based off of a 30-year period. If you plan to do 15-year, 20-year, then you will adjust this mortgage period to fit your needs. So it tells us that if we're purchasing a home for $250 with a 3.25 interest rate over 30 years, our monthly mortgage payment is going to be $1,071. Remember, this does not include principal, insurance, taxes, and things like that. And if you put down a larger down payment, your mortgage will be different. But that's just a quick way to calculate what your monthly mortgage payment will be. You can roughly estimate in your mind probably about $600 or $700 more to that. So that'll give you a total idea of what your monthly mortgage payment will be. I hope that help calculating your monthly mortgage payment. Talk soon.